Here we have Decentraland symbol MANA versus the dollar. I think we've been making videos on this one for the past week or so for good reason. Very, 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 very powerful move here on volume, consolidating at a very high level as well, and that does show strength actually. So let's pull up our drawing tools from yesterday's video, and I still do think that there's a potential for one more drive lower, somewhere around about 220 to 2.25. But I'm generally bullish on this thing as long as it's closing dailies above $2. So below there, I would start to unravel the long-term picture on this one. Until then, any sort of price action, especially below about 220. And our $3 high right here on the short-term consolidation is very constructive and very likely does lead towards long-term continuation. How long can this consolidation take? Well, I do want to see daily BBWP kind of work off its extreme conditions over here. Looking at the short-term timeframes, we do see this kind of already happening. In fact, the short-term timeframes even already have a higher low right here on the 4-hour with hidden bullish evidence, and momentum also is popping back up. So I'd still be looking for this one to trade a bit more sideways within this range. Just keep in mind where the invalidation is, and a 4-hour closure back above about 305 in this case, I would look for this one to reclaim its prior range highs all the way up to 369. Above 369, things look very, very good, not just because it's a great number, but also because it would imply continuation to, next target would be about $4.50, and then I might see a little bit of toppy behavior right there. Personally speaking, I do think that this one would probably make a move more long term. Now we're talking like a few weeks down the road to $5.50 or so. But I just want to see what it looks like over here. If this one's kind of more ready right now or a little bit later perhaps. Yeah, 4-hour stocks already popping up above 255. So short term, I would be favoring some short term upside, yes. Daily will actually pop back up above 264. You know what? This one might actually be a lot more ready than what I'm giving it credit for. I just want to see it start to pop back up above this region right here. That would look really, really good. Other than that, and actually the daily will have hidden bullish evidence here as well, as we are making lower lows on RSI alongside higher lows on price action. This is still one of the better setups in cryptocurrency land. Very, very nice on Mana. Even 12-hour already has a hidden bullish evidence, so nice one right there. Hopefully that's helpful, and there you go for Decentraland.